We often need to find equivalent fractions. So we do that first by, first off, writing the fraction we have. So say, for instance, 3/5. Now, if I wanted to find an equivalent fraction to this, I must do the same to the top as I do to the bottom. So for instance, I might choose to multiply by 10, and that would give me 50 here. And I must multiply the top by 10 as well. So that would give me 30 over 50. Often when asked for equivalent fractions, you'd be given a question such like 3/5 is equivalent to something over 25. Here you need to identify the multiple. So because we're linking between 5 and 25, 5 times 5 is 25. So we must do the same to the top. So it'd be 3 times 5, which is 15, and that is equivalent to 3/5. This works the same when we're cancelling fractions as well. So say, for instance, I had been given 14 over 40. Now there's many ways you can do this. You can look for the highest common factor of both this, or you could just look for a factor you know. So say, for instance, I might look and go 14 and 40 are both even numbers, therefore I'm going to divide by 2. So if I divide the bottom by 2, I must divide the top by 2. So 14 divided by 2 is 7, and 40 divided by 2 is 20. Now, as 7 and 20 don't have any common factors, actually, we've found the simplest form. Now, say, for instance, we were given 14 over 28 instead to simplify. Again, there's multiple ways you can do this. I might recognise they're both even numbers and start by dividing them both by 2. So that would give me 7 over 14. Then they've still got something in common here, so I might recognise that 14 and 7 are both multiples of 7, so divide by 7. Which would then leave me 1/2. But you may have earlier on noticed that 14 and 28 have a higher common factor, 14. So I could divide top and bottom by 14 and it would still give me the same answer, so that would give me 1/2. Both methods work, you just must remember to do whatever you do to the top to do the bottom and vice versa.